Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, friends. Okay, meet again with Usrima. How are you today? I hope you are always healthy and keep spirit, my friends, ya.
Today, we will learn about measure length. Measure length is a unit that has a fixed size or scale so that it can be used an international standard. Why it called as international standard? Why do we have to use international standard when measuring a length? Because if we use our own standard, the result will be, for example, if we want to measure the length of a table or a sound. Nah, when we use our own standard, we measure the length of the table with a span. The problem is whose first span we will use to measure the table. Try to imagine if we use an adult span, maybe the length of this table is as big as 10 adult, but is measured using children, like it could be as many as 15 span of children. So that is someone asks, what is the length of this table? The answer is there are those that say 10, some say 15. So the answer is different. Therefore, we need international standard that everyone can use. So the standard is called the metric unit or measuring length, like what the discussion is. Continue to watch the video. We have often heard of unit of like 2 kilometer, 4 centimeter. Kilometer, centimeter, it is part of the unit of length. I will explain the various unit of the length. There are 7 kinds of length unit. km stand for kilometer. HM stand for hectometer. Dam stand for decameter. And then M stand for meter. DM stand for decimeter. And CM stand for centimeter. And then the last mm stand for millimeter. So you better memorize this. Square here, my friend. And then to make it easier to memorize, I give the abbreviation ya. Nah, K for kucing, H for hitam, D for dalam, M for mobil, D for desi, C for centil, M for mondar-mandir. Jadi kalau disingkat, kucing hitam dalam mobil, desi centil, mondar-mandir. Every time you go down one stairs, then multiply by the number 10. If every one stairs, then divided by number
Contoh,
10.
1 meter sama dengan berapa sentimeter, teman-teman? Nah, kita hitung. Karena ini turun 2 kali meter ke desimeter, kemudian turun lagi ke sentimeter. Jadi turun 2 kali. Sehingga dikali 100. 1 kali 100, 100. Jadi 1 meter berapa sentimeter? 1 meter sama dengan 100 sentimeter. Okay, the next. 25 meter. How many centimeter, my friends? Okay, good. 25 times 100. How many? Yeah, the result is 2,500. So, 25 meter sama dengan 2500 cm. Okay, number 1 is example problem solving. Brian will fly the kite. The rope needs to fly the kite so that it can fly high is 10 meter. If converted to centimeter, how many length of rope does Brian need? Like that. How to count it? The first you must write noun. Brian will fly the kite. The rope need to fly the kite so that it can fly high is 10 meter. Asked, if converted to centimeter, how many length of rope does Brian need? Answered, Brian will fly the kite. The rope need to fly the kite so that it can fly high is 10 meter. So we must change the measure to centimeter. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So if 10 meter times 100, the result is 1000 centimeter. So the total length of rope does Brian need is 1000 centimeter. Understand, my friend? Okay, the second example of problem solving. Rahma has 3 pieces of ribbon. The first ribbon is 2 meters long, and then the second ribbon is 1 meter longer than the first, and then the third ribbon is 3 meters longer than the second. And then the question is, how many centimeter the total length of the Rahma's ribbon? Do you know, my friends, how to count it? Okay, following the Ustazah answer. Noun. Rahma has 3 pieces of ribbon. The first ribbon is 2 meters long. So, the first ribbon is long is 2 meters. The second ribbon is 1 meter longer than the first. So, the long is second ribbon is 3 meters. The third ribbon is 3 meters longer than the second. 3 meters plus 3 meters. The answer is 6 meters. Asked, how many centimeters the total length of the Rahma's ribbon? Answer, ribbon 1 is 2 meters. Ribbon 3 is 3 meters. And then ribbon 3 is 6 meters. So the total are 2 meters plus 3 meters plus 6 meters is 11 meters. If we when converted to centimeter, 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Then the total of ribbon are 11 times 100. The result is 1100 centimeter. So the total length of the Rahma's ribbon are 1100 centimeter. Understand, my friend?